Hello, my name is Adam. Today, I am at the airport, a big international airport, and I am very excited because today I am flying to London. London, but there is one problem. This airport is very, very big, and I am lost. I need to find my check-in desk. But where is it? I look up at the big screens. So many flights, Rome, Paris, Dubai. But where is London? I feel nervous. My heart is beating fast. I need help. Okay, Adam, stay calm. I see an airport worker nearby. She looks friendly. I walk to her slowly. I take a deep breath, and I say, "Excuse me. Hello. Can you help me, please?" She smiles and says, "Yes, of course. Where are you going?" I say. "I am looking for my check-in desk for flight BA 123 to London." She nods slowly. She points to the left, and she says, "Go straight, past the coffee shop. Then, turn left. You will see Terminal 2. Your check-in desk is number 45. I listen very carefully. I want to make sure I understand. So I repeat slowly. Go straight, past the coffee shop. Turn left. Terminal 2. Desk 45. She smiles and says, "Yes, that is correct." I smile and say, "Thank you. Thank you so much." She says, "Good luck. Have a great flight." I walk forward. I go straight. I pass the coffee shop. I smell the fresh coffee. It smells so good, but I cannot stop now. I turn left. And there it is. Terminal 2. I look up slowly. Desk, number 45. I feel so happy. I found it. I did it. I asked for help. In English, I understood the directions, and I found my check-in desk. Remember these 3 simple words. Excuse me. Where is thank you? These words will always help you. In any airport, in any city, in any country. Now, I am ready for my flight. London, here I come. Did you like this story? Have you ever been lost at an airport? What did you do? Tell me in the comments below. And subscribe for more slow English stories with Adam. See you in London. Goodbye.